In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects using a drawing canvas in Microsoft Word. Grouping objects can be a handy trick to keep all your elements organized, especially when you're working with complex documents. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First, let's start by inserting a drawing canvas. You'll want to navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the Word interface. Here you'll find the Shapes option. Click on that, and then select New Drawing Canvas from the drop-down menu. At this point, you should see a canvas box appear in your document, somewhat like a blank piece of paper waiting for your artistic touch. Don't worry if the initial size doesn't fit your needs. You can easily resize it by dragging its edges. Once your canvas is ready, it's time to fill it with shapes or objects. With the canvas selected, go back to the Insert tab, then click on Shapes again. You can choose any shape that suits your purpose, or even mix and match several. Another option is to get creative with freeform lines or scribbles. Just make sure that whatever you're drawing or inserting stays within the confines of the canvas. If you have multiple elements that you want to manipulate at once, just hold down the Control key and click each object you wish to select. With all your desired shapes or objects selected, the next step is to group them together. Again, make sure all your objects are selected. Now, look towards the ribbon for either the Shape Format or the Drawing Tools Format tab, depending on your version of Word. Here, you will find the Group button. Go ahead and click Group. This combines all the selected objects into one unified group, making it much easier to move, resize, or even rotate all elements together as if they were a single object. Now, let's briefly talk about the canvas itself. Consider it a container that holds everything you've grouped. You can reposition or resize this canvas as needed, and rest assured, the grouped shapes will remain neatly packed within it. Interestingly, if you ever decide to delete the canvas later, your grouped shapes won't disappear. Once moved out of the canvas, they'll remain together as a single object. That wraps up our guide on using a drawing canvas to group objects in Word. This technique can be a real time saver and helps keep things tidy and in order while working on your document. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow and that it enhances your productivity with Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and happy grouping!